You're gonna face opportunities that you feel unprepared for. Stuff will come at you, offer itself to you, and you're gonna wanna turn it down because you're not ready for that. You're not capable of doing it. But you're gonna wanna accept it despite that. Because if you don't, you're really gonna wish you had. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be scary, and you're gonna dread it at times, but it's gonna make you a better person.
Hey, how excited is everybody to see this Grand Canyon?
Pictures later.
You're gonna wish that you were back at home, comfy in your own bed, or that you hadn't made this decision. You're gonna wish a lot of things, but just remember that life is an adventure. And if you're too busy thinking about that kind of stuff, you're gonna miss the adventure that's right in front of you. So open your eyes and be in the moment.
Definitely put the chips in the sandwich.
Seeing new parts of the world is gonna change how you view your everyday life. Pushing yourself to the edge of what you believe you're capable of is going to make you a stronger person. Taking another step when you would rather quit and give up is going to give you perseverance. Life is an adventure, so go live it.